More than a year after signing a ceasefire with the Burmese government, Karen National Union soldiers celebrate the 64th annual Revolution Day. The day marks the beginning of the Karen's resistance against Burma's government in 1949. The civil war in Karen state was one of the world's longest insurgencies, but the ceasefire is tentative. With ongoing fighting in Kachin state, the general called for the end of violence for the entire country. Led by the newly elected chairman Mutu Seipo, little progress has been made in peace negotiations, despite meeting President Thein Sein earlier this month.
Code of conduct
Sources in the KNU say the organisation is still split over how to approach peace negotiations, and many don't trust that the government is committed to real peace.